Hey, Lori Chitwood here of Annie M Home Painted Furniture and your Retique It dealer. Today I have the brand new, this is my sample that I got, so it doesn't have its label on it, but it is available now in the shops. This is the wooden stain, so this is the liquid wood built-in stain with the top coat, and it is there's, let's see, classic black, Java, this is the Java, and I'm not sure if you can kind of see that, it's a real dark pretty brown, black walnut, red mahogany, weathered wood, and old oak. That's the colors. And it's this is an 8 ounce, which is $22.99, $39.99 for a pint, and $59.99 for a quart, and then I believe there's a gallon also. But anyways, I have been wanting to do my door. They sent me this sample about a month ago, and I haven't had a chance to do the door, so I'm going to just kind of do this little bottom part down here, at least part of it. And then I have a few spots up there where I already put it on. So this will be the first coat, and it doesn't look like it gets really good coverage. I'll zip my lip and get painting. On the first coat, like you can still see the red and stuff through it, but I believe the second coat is where it really starts to cover. And this is my understanding, well, there's lots of details about this stuff. It is water-based. It is low or no VOCs. I should have looked at that. And it does, I can't smell it. Let's see, what else did it have on there? It's grainable, and I'm sure you can probably layer different colors, which is, I tend to do that a lot with my stuff. I tend to layer my stains, and I'm pretty sure this is going to work like that also. It has kind of a cool texture to it. It's very, very smooth, and whoops, there's some drips. Goes on really nice, and this is my first time using it, so other than the 3 little squares up top that I already did, this is my first attempt at it. So you're going to watch me go through the learning curve. There's a dog hair. So let me know if you guys have any questions on it. And I'm doing it on my door. My understanding is it's, you know, awesome on furniture, and, you know, it just saves you that one extra step. It's got the built-in top coat. Out here, my guess is that I probably will add additional top coat to it, because this side of our house gets completely hammered with the sun and the rain and all the things. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm outside, and my internet, my page, not my page, my website is Freshly Painted. To try to order this, it shows sold out. Just if anybody is interested in it, just let me know, and I will help you get it ordered. And this door has some, you know, some dents in it. It's old. It's been in here for 9 years now, and we've banged into it with the wheelbarrow and all that stuff. So it's not a perfect door, but I've been wanting to cover up the red for a long time, so I was really excited about this new product that Retique It has worked, and it's just one more thing to help save time in projects. Plus, bottom line, it's water-based, and other than hard wax oil and waxes themselves, I do not like working with products that are oil-based. So this is perfect for me. Try to feather that out down there a little tiny bit, because otherwise if you don't, it will kind of show up when you come in with your second coat. So again, this is the wooden stain. It's the all-in-one, so it's the wood, the Retique It, the liquid wood with the built-in stain and top coat. And so far, I'm kind of liking it. And the way it goes on, a few more drips. It's really hot and dry here today, and this stuff is drying pretty fast, which is kind of nice. I should be able to get this whole door done today. Okay, so let me do that one part there. Hi, Crystal. I know it does look kind of cool in there, and deepen it, but I think if some of that red does kind of show through, really. Okay, well, I could, let's see, I was trying to think how I can do this so you can see if I go up, and it's not quite dry, and I don't want to go over it again until it's 100% dry. So, and I have to open the door, I think, to do the rest of it. So anyways, that was kind of all I wanted to do, was just play with it for a minute, and show you guys this out with this. And then there's triple T top coat, which I've used on all of my furniture pieces that I just recently finished. I really like that. And what was their other ones? Several things that they just recently added. There's the Retique, of course I'm gonna forget the other one. There's another outdoor top coat, and this one, which is the one that we've all been waiting for and very anxious to get. See, right there's a definite divot in my door. To show, but at some point I have to replace this door anyways. But this is peeled off, but I thought, well, I'm just going to kind of go over it. And now that I know that I'm going to like working with this, I'm going to get onto the wholesale and get some of the black walnut, which is my favorite to work with, and get some of that coming. is where it's doubled up. You can see, I don't know if you can see that right there, the intensity of it, where you start to layer and it gets that real deep look on it. And that's the beauty of most gel stains, is when you start to layer them up or add on that second layer, it intensifies and deepens the color quite a bit. The Kona. No, this one is the Java. And I do think it's going to look really, really cool as I add that second layer of this on there. And it's going to give it a little bit more of a uniform look to it. I've got some furniture projects that I'm going to give it a try on pretty soon too. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. I will get the next coat on here and post some pictures and stuff and get those up for you to see how this all turns out. See ya.